welcome to another episode of Box TV Culture Battle Lyrics Part 3. We got Habibi, he praying, he getting ready. It's supposed to be him and somebody, but since everybody want to battle tonight, it's gonna be 3 the hard way. 3 anybody go do whatever. Cause it seems like One Professor and Rap-A-Lot got some kind of ongoing beef they still need to settle. It's going down. I ain't got no popcorn, but I got cornflakes. Ooh! Share, comment, and like, and tell me who won and why they won.
To kill both of you, that's the least. I don't eat meat, but I feed your girl beef. Call for peace, cause if I shoot you, you're going to be dead and whiter than Danto Street. Freaking dirt on my shoulder, I brush you off my collar. Open up my shirt with a bomb and scream holla. Stick your girl, she get a baby bump. I'm not leaving this country, go take from. Pakistan is the shit, I'm telling the truth. B, I poison your ass when you come to the store for Lucy. What is wrong with you? You cannot get me out. I kill every one of you.
What Professor, go!
Yo, to eat that artist, you no want it. Female stinker than your armpit. Burnt tire and gunshot with soap and fag. Plus, you don't know nothing about soap and rag. This Yankee boy a try play me dumb. Everybody ya gonna know when me put one of your cranium. It seems like you no need y'all, cause in a 20 state you no make Batman legal. Nasty Yankee boy, I will fool you. You are the type to take a shit and don't even flush your dodo. Ayota man.
Alright, yo, Rap-A-Lot, your turn. Go, son, just go!
Yo, I'm tired of Jamaicans, the whole fucking race. You tired of yourself, that's why you bleach your face. You talk about my pants sagging, your pants tight. Bitches sucking bottles and dance, that ain't right. You getting on my nerves, I'm about to start flipping. Put the heater to your grill and turn you into jerk chicken. Chopped up when I popped up, your girl like foreigners, so it's easy for me to get my cocks up.
The battle was so nice, I forgot to open the cornflakes. Oh my God! Don't forget to log on and sign on to Box TV. If you missed this, it's gonna be on Box TV. So go like my Box TV page. Box, box, box. Don't move your face. Part 4's coming up. Share, comment, and like, and tell me who won and why they won. And because of this beef between these two, we're gonna have a freestyle acapella between the both. This has got to settle.
But mine can't hold me.
Yo, Wagwan Brian. What Professor, what's up, yeah? I see your English bottle all over my timeline, yeah?
Yeah, man, the thing start already, you know.
I'm flying down, yeah?
Yeah, man, come true, man, you don't know.
I'm coming to represent for the UK, because none of the artists can hold me, yeah?
Alright.
Gotta catch a flight right now, mate.